The sirens weren't sounding in the city.
When the earlier storm missed Joplin, local authorities, believing they dodged the speeding bullet, shut down the warning sirens.
And as I drove west, we encountered a police officer on the west side of Joplin.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I pulled up beside him, and I told him very quickly that a tornado was coming down. I said, you have to get the sirens going again. It's coming into the city. He picks up the radio, calls dispatch, tells them to sound the siren. The sirens start going off again for the second time.
But it was too late.
It's leveling the south side of Joplin in front of us.
The sky was the blackest I have ever seen. That told me that it was very serious, that there was going to be something just catastrophic getting ready to happen for these residents of Joplin.